This is where extreme off-road engineering meets luxury design. The build starts with carefully selected structural and composite materials. The CNC machine precisely cuts the specialized fishmouth profile for the tubular frame, which is then meticulously checked by a technician. The main frame is meticulously TIG welded, ensuring both strength and the iconic stacked dime aesthetic. Inside the factory, how the world's most luxurious buggy is made. Using a controlled assembly tool, the technician installs the spring and adjustment hardware, ensuring the perfect calibration of the luxurious buggy's suspension.
Meticulous attention is paid as the suspension arm is installed and precisely torqued into place.
The main automotive wiring harness is meticulously laid out on a dedicated assembly board, ensuring every connection is precise.
The main wiring harness is meticulously secured along the tubular chassis, ensuring it remains clear of all suspension components. Decisions. The dashboard wiring requires absolute precision. Each connector, clearly labeled, must be attached behind the instrument panel. The cut carbon fiber layers are stacked precisely. The technician smooths each layer by hand to maintain the correct fiber orientation. The off-road tire is seated against the beadlock wheel and inflated under controlled pressure. Technicians verify the bead and wheel assembly before.
The completed wheel assembly is now tested on a precision inspection machine.
Each heavy wheel is carefully centered on its hub before the fasteners are secured. Final torque is applied only after the wheel is correctly seated. Now every major system is inspected before the first drive. From raw steel and carbon fiber to a finished luxury off-road machine. Every surface combines lightweight construction with luxury detailing.
The suspension is built for serious off-road articulation.
Even the cockpit receives the same luxury treatment. But this machine begins as raw material. not a finished luxury vehicle.